Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the stamping plate XL-002 by BeautyBigBang. Thank you Maggie for sending me this to review, and you can use my code Nashi for 10% off on their website. This stamping plate comes in this really pretty packaging. On the back you have really easy steps on how to stamp. It comes with a blue protective film. You should remove it before you stamp. The back of the stamping plate is really simple. It's white and says BeautyBigBang. In this image you can see the designs. Now I will swatch the images, and the products I used will be in the description box. You can have a look and enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. The designs are really pretty. Let me know which is your favorite design of this stamping plate. I really recommend this stamping plate, especially if you like beige themed designs. Hope you liked this review. Don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe. I see you in my next video.